So, hello, nice people stay until the end, even after the break for snacks. So, sorry for this mistake, but I will try to be super quick. So, my name is Sofia, and I'm in charge of a coding bootcamp in Lisbon. And my goal here today is just, in a very short sentence, is to explain to you as an entrepreneur what you should do in this tech market to grow and not struggle to hire people to help you to grow. This is basically my point, so I think it's on the right. First of all, you saw and you learned a lot today, and this presentation is by far the ugliest, so sorry for that, but I stick to the model they sent me, so clearly I should know. But about Wild Code School, we are a European network of schools, and our training is in 5 months. And now I believe you are thinking, oh yeah, you can become a developer in 5 months, and I stay 5 years in university. True, it's not the same, but it's still capable of becoming a developer in 5 months. Okay? This is what we are trying to prove, and we are now 5 years working in France and in other cities, but in Lisbon we started this year. So, that being said, if you are an entrepreneur and you are creating a business, what you should do first, and let me say that most of the startups and the small companies, they are the 10 more successful ones. They have someone as a co-founder, a co-worker there that they are super tech related. Why is easier to have a good business model when you have a tech mindset? Can someone answer me that? You don't need a mic, just say something. No? It's easier to think in a good idea and to create a business model based on what technology can do than have a good idea and try to find a technology that can help you. That explains a lot. So yes, if you are creating a business model or a company or a product now, if you have coding skills or if you know something tech related, it's easier. That's super. This is true. But okay, if you don't know, like I do not know, what can I do? So I should hire smartly. And hire smartly is not hire someone that is cheaper. It's not like buying yogurt 2 for 1. No, it's not that. It's hiring character and talent. And talent does not mean university degrees. So this is what I'm here to prove today and to help you. These are some numbers. Basically, if you are a startup, you are a small boat. So we know a lot of companies, they are huge ships. So it's easier to turn your boat when you are small. So in the market, you have a small business, you have a small company, so it's easier to adapt to innovate. This is basically the mindset we as an entrepreneur we should have. So, and nowadays, everyone has some friend, a developer, someone coding related that is actually receiving thousands of offers per week. And they have to put a stop sign on LinkedIn saying, no, I don't want no one talking to me because I don't want to change my job. I'm okay. I'm a freelancer and I'm okay. So we as founders, we are struggling to find people to work tech related and who doesn't charge more than we have to pay, right? And okay, we are not working in co-workers, or even if we are working in co-workings, people don't have time to help us all the time. So how can we find someone to build our company and to be part of our team and to help us with tech skills? Well, we should take a look into people who are taking a risk to change the careers and to become developers, even if they are 19 or 59. In my school here in Lisbon, I have students from 20 years old to 59 years old, and they are taking a risk. What we want in our company to grow is someone who is willing to take a risk with us. And if they take a risk by changing their careers, of course they are committed to work with us in this very small project that we are creating. Am I right? Yeah, you can say thank you. So, this is again some numbers, but we know that we have this shortage of developers. So, studies have been telling us that by 2030 we will have a lot of shortage on those technologies we cannot see very good, but they are all tech-related, social media, everything related to tech. So this will be a problem because we are creating now business for the future. We are not creating products or business to end in 5 years. So how can we think small and to grow? So again, bootcampers, they are passionate, they are willing to take risks, and they learn fast. And they do a lot of self-learning. So if we are in this business like starting small to grow, we have to do a lot of self-learning, and they will help us. So this is why we should hire those people and we should trust them. And again, as entrepreneurs, as managers of companies, what we should embrace is that our projects or even the small things we are creating, they should be thinking, they should be done by people who think in the future generations. What we want is mobile now. So imagine in 10 years, I don't know, something smaller than a mobile. Again, we don't have time and we have to think about the future. How many of you spend more than 3 seconds waiting for, I don't know, a website to download? Probably none of us. It is 3 seconds, okay, skip, I don't care, I will see it later, I will do it in another time. We cannot afford people to skip our website. We cannot afford people to skip our ads. So they should be responsible, they should work. We need people with coding skills in our team. So this is what we should take in mind. So summing up, again, we are co-founders, we are creating business models. The company we build is based on the team we build. So we need to surround ourselves with the best advisors and the best team possible. We need to keep in mind that technology is not here like to stay and go. No, we have to create something based on technology, not the other way around. It will be easier and faster, and will help us in the future to be more profitable. Again, focus on the customer. How can we, without no coding skills, without no tech knowledge, focus in the journey of the customer if we don't know anything about the technology we will use in the future to doing that? We need help. So we should surround ourselves with the best guys. And of course, passion is something we cannot tell other people to do. We cannot teach passion. We should hire someone who is passionate about something, starting new things and taking risks. So this is what we should do. So this is for today. Thank you. I said I would leave I knew there would be no questions, that's why I was leaving. Thank you so much.